What if I told you that in 2025, your next income stream could literally be powered by AI, and you don't even need to show your face or quit your job to start? In this video, I'm breaking down 7 legit AI-powered side hustles you can start right now, all with free or low-cost tools. Let's unlock your digital income future. Let's go. 1. Faceless YouTube automation with AI voiceovers and scripts. YouTube isn't just for vloggers anymore, thanks to tools like ChatGPT for script writing and ElevenLabs for voiceovers. You can build an entire YouTube channel without ever recording your own voice or showing your face. Pair it with free stock footage from Pexels or AI video tools like Pictory or Runway. You just need a niche: finance, motivation, travel, and consistency. Channels like this are pulling in thousands monthly with zero personal presence. 2. AI freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancing just got a boost. Now you can offer services like AI-generated logos, content creation, or even AI-powered product descriptions. Use tools like Leonardo AI for visuals, ChatGPT for writing, and you've got a gig-ready skill set overnight. Set up a Fiverr gig called AI-powered social media captions or custom AI logos and deliver fast, scalable work with style. 3. Print-on-demand designs with AI. Love creative side hustles? AI art tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Canva's AI let you generate unique t-shirt, mug, or sticker designs fast. Use platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. No inventory, no upfront cost. Your design gets printed only when someone orders. 4. Newsletter empire with AI curation. You can now build and monetize a niche newsletter without writing every word yourself. Use AI tools to summarize top news, trends, or tips in a niche, like AI tools, crypto, fashion, or wellness. Platforms like Beehive or Substack let you grow an email list and earn from sponsors or paid subscriptions. 5. Ebooks and courses, built by AI, branded by you. You don't have to be an expert to sell digital products. Use ChatGPT to generate outline plus content, then polish and brand it. You can turn it into an ebook, checklist, or even a beginner-level mini-course using Gumroad or Payhip. 6. AI-powered affiliate blog or TikTok page. Start a niche affiliate blog or even a faceless TikTok page reviewing AI tools, gear, or lifestyle hacks. AI tools write the content, generate product reviews, and even create short scripts. Post affiliate links with Amazon, Notion templates, or digital products, and let your content drive passive clicks. 7. AI coaching and prompt selling. Know how to use ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney well? Package that skill into a prompt library or offer AI coaching to beginners. People are paying for custom ChatGPT prompts that save time, boost productivity, or even write Tinder bios. You can sell on Gumroad or offer services on Discord communities. There's never been a better time to build digital income streams. And now, you don't even need capital, skills, or a big following. Pick one side hustle, test it, and evolve. If you want more deep dives on these ideas, don't forget to subscribe. The AI future isn't coming, it's already here. Let's build in it.